Right there?
Yeah. It gets real shallow back up to there. Check that out, dude.
What?
Got hung up already.
Hell
Fucking
yeah.
roll up. How did you say? Oh well. It
It's
wasn't
not as
cool.
deep as you thought it was.
Huh?
It's not as deep as you thought it was.
It's deep right here. Compared to everywhere else, it's real deep. Yeah, it's just a bunch of shallow up through there.
Pretty up through there, though.
Yeah, it is. But it's a lot of shallow shit, as far as I can see.
As far as you can see.
That means dragging kayaks.
Dragon kayaks,
I ain't out here dragging kayaks today.
I'm still gonna go check it out, though.
Huh?
I'm still gonna go out and check it out.